Cash App, how long does that money actually take to arrive? Ever split a dinner bill with friends and gotten stuck waiting for someone to pay you back? Cash App seems like the perfect solution. Send and receive money instantly, right? Well, kind of. But before you rely on it for that last-minute rent payment, there's a hidden layer to Cash App's transfer speeds. Let's break down exactly how long it takes to get your hands on that cash. The instant gratification myth. Cash App definitely plays up its instant transfer features. They advertise money appearing in your friend's account in seconds. That sounds amazing. But here's the thing, that instant transfer only applies when someone sends money directly to your Cash App balance. Think of it like a virtual wallet. The money sits there until you decide what to do with it. So, what about my bank account? If you want that money in your actual bank account, where you can use it to pay bills or grab groceries, things slow down a bit. Cash App offers two options for transferring money to your bank: standard deposits and instant deposits. Standard deposits are free, but the money can take 1 to 3 business days to show up. That's not terrible, but it's definitely not instant. The price of speed: instant deposits. Now, for those impatient folks out there, Cash App offers instant deposits. This gets the money into your bank account within minutes, perfect for those emergencies. But there's a catch, and a pretty big one: instant deposits come with a fee. The exact fee varies depending on the amount of money you're transferring, but it can range from 0.5% to 1.75%, with a minimum fee of 25 cents. So, transferring a $20 payment might only cost you a few cents, but if you're moving a bigger chunk of change, that fee can add up quickly. Beyond the basics, weekends and holidays. Here's another thing to keep in mind: Cash App operates on bank hours. So, if you receive a payment on a Friday evening or over the weekend, that standard deposit might not hit your bank account until the following Tuesday. Same goes for holidays. So, if you're expecting a critical payment to arrive on a Monday and it lands on a Saturday, you might be out of luck until the banks reopen. Alternatives to consider. Cash App is a convenient tool, but it's not the only option out there. Services like Venmo and Zelle also offer money transfer features, and their transfer speeds can vary. Venmo operates similarly to Cash App, with standard and instant deposit options. Zelle, on the other hand, typically transfers money between linked bank accounts instantly and for free. It's always a good idea to compare options before relying on any one service for critical payments. Cash App is a great tool for splitting bills with friends or sending a quick birthday gift. But when it comes to important payments, be mindful of those transfer times and fees. Knowing how long it actually takes to get your hands on the money can help you avoid any financial headaches down the road. With that said, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time.